Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm showing you guys a really quick video here of the unboxing of my Northwest Airlines 747-400 as well as this DC-10. I did get both of these, actually all three of these off of eBay within the last probably 2 to 3 weeks. I have an old brand of Northwest Airlines planes that I got from my aunt when she was a flight attendant for Northwest Airlines way back in the day. She flew on the DC-10s, 730 or the 747s, excuse me. Fortunately, she's no longer with us today, but the legacy lives on. So it means a lot to me that I also flew on Northwest Airlines when I was young a lot too. So it means the world to me to finally have these in like, I guess like a larger scale. So without starting here, guys, I'll show you the Northwest Airlines DC-10. Flown this on this to many, starting here, guys, we have the Northwest Airlines DC-10 from Gemini Jets Models. Flew on this from Minneapolis to Honolulu when I was little, many times. Family would take me to Hawaii, and yeah, it was a fun time. Beautiful aircraft here. Boxes are pretty much in perfect condition here. You guys can see the details on here. Super detailed. I will be taking this out of the box here in this video to show you guys. Check this out. 2008 release, so that's not even that, I mean, that's a long time ago, but it's not like that long ago. Wow, super cool, guys. All right, well, let's get it out of the box and take a look quick. Guys, here it is, initially with the top off. Wow, this is my first time actually taking this out of the box. And I think this is actually in pretty much perfect condition here. So let's go ahead and set this down here. Like I said, I'm going to be getting a glass case for these. So the models will definitely get the respect they deserve. Wow, guys, look at that. Let me just get my camera, right, guys. Take a look at this beautiful plane here. Northwest Airlines DC-10. Let's see if my little spinner still works on this thing. I might have to get some more batteries in this. Yeah, this does not work. Let's just turn it around for you guys. Look at the wings on this thing, guys. Super cool. Super scale. Elevators and the tail with the engine. Wow, guys. Look at that angle. Definitely a relic in time here. I think the bowling shoe livery was the best too. Just looks the best. That's really all I have to say. I'm very happy to have this model in my collection, guys. I will be showing this mostly just at MSP, and I'll also do Detroit too. But yeah, really, really cool. Alright guys, on to the next model here. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys the bottom, but let's just look at the bottom one more time. Gemini Jets Models, super cool. Even has a display stand part. Low-key, I've been wanting these like forever. Been focusing on, you know, all the newer models that are coming out, but it's always the history, guys. Super cool. And Northwest is where it's at. All right, let's check the 747 out. All right, guys, next up we have the Northwest 747 from AIRPORT. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box here. I did already take a look at this, and it looks like it is in perfect condition. So initially out of the box, here it is. Looks like it's been pretty well taken care of. I did notice the nose wheel was turned a teeny bit, but we're just not even gonna mess with that. Super scale, guys. Let's get it out of the packaging. Let's take a look. All right, guys. Let's get her out. Hopefully it all stays together here. AIRPORT models, got the stand too and everything, sweet. Looks like the wing might be, let's just play it safe here. Oh wow, that looks so cool. Guys, look at this. A beautiful 747 here. I mean, it's a really old model, so it looks like it has some, I don't really know what that is. Looks like it's been tried to be painted again or something. Someone tried to paint it again, maybe, I don't know. Could be damaged from the sun, but I don't know, guys. I know there's an Aero Classics one too that I have my eye on out there on eBay too. So I was actually initially thinking that, okay, you know, I get this and I'd probably get a couple more 747s that are probably maybe better condition than this one is. So, but pretty good. You know, gets the job done for showing an older airport, I guess to say. Looks really cool. I love all these like little writings on the wings and everything. It looks so cool on there. And the flaps and everything. Really detailed. Let's see if my camera works to zoom in here. But yeah, you guys got the Northwest sign on the wing there. The Northwest logo there. Super detailed. Northwest Airlines, guys. There you have it. The iconic Queen of the Skies here. Really happy to have this in my collection, guys, going forward. Also, since we're doing this video here, guys, I will show you from Tiny Tug Designs, so go check them out. Tiny Tug's offering 1 to 400 scale Northwest Airlines a GSE as well, guys. So I got these from Tiny Tugs. So I'll be putting these on my MSP Detroit or wherever Northwest Airlines chooses or has flown. So here we go, guys. So Northwest Airlines tugs. Or baggage carts, I should say, but pretty cool, guys. So check out tinytugs.com, guys. Link in the description, guys. Link in the description. All right, guys. Well, here we have it for these 3 Northwest airplanes. I did show this in an earlier video, so check out my channel, guys. Just go to my channel here, and you'll be able to see the video of the boxing of the Northwest A320 here. It is on my channel. So next up, I think we're gonna get a couple 757s, maybe another A320, some of the DC-9s, and a couple 747s. So stay tuned, guys. More to come. More to come. And also maybe another DC-10. We'll see you guys. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Model Airport Nation here, showing you guys 1 to 400 scale aviation here. Also some 1 to 200 and more 200 to come in the future. So stay tuned, guys. Model Airport Nation to you guys. Happy collecting. Have a great day. And also Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, guys. And of course right here on YouTube, guys.